Hi everybody, it's Shauna with Poor Pitiful Pearl, and today we decided to put together a sizing video for you guys at home because we get so many questions about how to measure ourselves. So first of all, I would grab something like this, 99 cents, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, not the kind that your husband has that kind of fling back at you, those are hard to work with. Something like this that you can wrap around your body and you can measure yourself. You don't need anybody else, this is super easy. So we're gonna start measuring the chest because we get a lot of oxys. With this one right here, I'm getting a 32-inch chest. So that's technically a small. And I like to keep it pretty true to size up here so I'm not pulling my elastic up. That's a preference thing. You may want it a little bit roomier. Again, give us the measurement and we can guide you through that. With arms, this one is about a 12-inch arm, which is technically a medium. And to measure yourself, it's a little bit trickier, I realize, but you can do it. Okay, so I'm getting an 11-inch arm, which is technically a small, but with my arm, I tend to go a little bit looser because I don't like the tight arms, and it doesn't bother me if it's hanging a little bit. So again, that's a preference thing. We can help you through that, but just give us your measurements, and we can figure that out. With pants, today I'm wearing bell bottoms, which probably aren't the greatest pant, and also stretch pants. Neither one of those are gonna be great pants. But if you have a pair of pants, some straight-legged pants that fit you just perfect, what you're gonna be doing is measuring your inseam. So we're gonna come up right to the top seam and go all the way down to the bottom, and I'm getting about a 30-inch inseam. I'm 5'5", so that can give you a reference point there. But that wasn't the most accurate way to do it. I would definitely lay your pants flat on the floor. You don't need to be in them, obviously, and then measure your inseam laying flat. I don't have a pair of pants to do that with, or I would do it for you guys, but you guys get the gist. Let me think. Otherwise, lengths on dresses, we're gonna go from the top elastic all the way to the floor, or where the dress would end. So this is a 44-inch long dress. What we get a lot of times is people telling us how tall they are, how much they weigh, their bra size, and while this is super helpful, you're actually going through way more work than needed. We don't need all of that. What we really need is the length of the dress, because your proportions can be different than mine. You could have super long legs, or you could be super busty. None of that's really gonna matter. The length of the dress is what we need. So if you wanna know how long your dress should be, you wanna find that elastic point. So somewhere right up here where the elastic would lay. And again, this is kind of awkward doing it yourself, but it's pretty good. So what I do, because I'll lose hold of the measuring tape, I kind of stop right here. And then I go all the way down, and let's say I want my dress to end right here. It's gonna be about 46 inches long. So anyways, I hope that helps out a little bit. We're certainly here to help you with any questions that you have. We know it can be tricky. And just know that once you get these measurements, you're good to go. You can order very easily, and it's actually a lot more accurate than small, medium, and large. So I know it's a little bit more work ahead of time, but you'll be glad when you get your perfectly fitted item. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk soon.